Hi everybody, welcome back. So a lot has been going on behind the scenes, and I'll try to update you on all that at the end of this video. Right now, we're working on putting these lights up, and which means me riding around on the scaffolding and Fritz watching me and occasionally moving me around. Once I get start this, we're going to put a 2x4s all the way down the center. I've pre-wired them, and I'll show you that one when I get one of them up here, for the sockets, so that every rafter is going to have a socket at it or near it, and then those lights have 6-foot cords. So that's going to put the light somewhere right about where these cross braces are, somewhere in here. I've only got 6 of them. There's 7 of these rafters, but it's really bright out by the door. So we're starting at the back. The outlets have 2 plugs, typical outlet. So I can add another light later on when I can afford to buy them. They're also stringable. They've got a plug on one end. I can plug another light in and double up on them if I want to. Lots of options. But right now, I got to get power out to the center here. So let me get to doing that. Basically, I'm just attaching it to this rafter till I get to the center. So. Okay, so now I've got one light up. I've got the wires almost over there. And now the fun part is Fritz has moved me around, and I'm being real careful. It's early, but I'm being careful so that I don't whack my head on the rafters. Oh. Yeah, we can go towards the door. Okay. Ah, that's good. Okay. So now we get a nice 12-foot 2x4 with wires hanging off of it up here, and I can attach it to the rafters. Fun. All right. Is this the end that goes? I didn't leave that running. Oh. Okay, I got it.
Yeah, I was going to say, you're going to come up a little shy.
I know what I forgot to bring up here.
What?
Wood screws and the bits to attach this one to the next one.
Oh. Okay.
All right. All right, so I didn't show you the whole process because it's just, rinse and repeat. But you can see box at each of these. There's actually one at the end that we don't really need. And now I got lights alternating on sides. This is what it looks like with them off, and this is what it looks like with them on. As soon as Fritz turn them on. There we go. And that fluttering is the camera, it's not the lights. There are a bunch of LED lights, but it does make a difference. And now I'm going to struggle to get out of here.
Want me to close the doors so they can see?
Once I get out of here, I'm going to come down and we're going to shut the doors and see what it's like down at ground level.
Okay.
Because this is for me from, a half a mile in the air. Okay. Maybe my feet are like about 8 feet off the ground. It just feels really tall. So to get an idea, getting on and off of this thing, because these nice safety rails, they open, but the actual sides come up higher than them, so there's no way
Watch your head.
I'd have to climb up and over to get it out. So the way I got to do this is two ways. I could climb over it, but I don't trust this rail not to crack on me and send me down to my doom, or this climbing out through the hole, because I'm not old or anything. So Fritz is gonna film the comedy show of me trying to get out of there, but I had some practice, so I think I don't know what I'm doing now. Yeah, and I said that exactly how I meant it. Okay, nope, nothing in the way of my feet. I tried crawling out feet first, upside down, right side up, and that was not easy. And I don't bend like I used to.
Well, you are 71.
Ouch! Yeah, good thing I'm done having kids. Ow.
You're getting out faster than you did at lunch.
Believe it or not, that was the easiest I've got off of this thing. Come on upside down, your back is bent. Anyway, I like to say, gotta suffer for your art. So let me take you down. We're gonna shut the doors. We'll get you an idea what this looks like with the doors shut. So I know you can't see me, but this is the lighting that I had in here. That's a solar light down there. And so you come in here at night, and this is what it'd be like. Now, of course, I don't have batteries yet, but on a rainy day, we couldn't really work in here with the doors closed. But when we turn the lights on, there, now we can work in here when it's raining. So I don't have any excuse. Damn it. All right, so I actually bought 8 lights, and there's a little bit of a mess over here. I'm still working on organizing it, but so what I did off camera was this whole wall is now insulated with rock wool like that, and put the plywood up, so now I can start slowly hanging tools and getting organized, and with those lights under there and these lights out here. Cool.
Not bad.
So I think that pretty much got you caught up to where we are now. I got a water pump to hook up next, and I need some bits and stuff for that. So anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Be safe. If I can stand up. Now it's getting this foot off the ground.
Yep.
You could have stopped.
Why? It's so much fun. It's still filming.
It's still going.
It's still going.
Stop it.